Hello students, let's start our next topic. Let's recall. What is meant by soil? How is soil formed? Soil makes land. The process of soil formation takes place at a very slow pace. It is a natural process in which heat, cold and rainwater cause weathering of the bedrock. The weathering forms stones, sand, smaller particles of soil, etc. from the original rock. Microbes, worms, insects and rodents also acts as weathering agent. In this way, soil is continuously and slowly formed. What are the ingredients of soil? Soil contains abiotic constituents such as smaller particles, sand, rocks, stones, etc. Worms, insects, rodents, and microbes are the biotic constituents of the soil. Properties of soil. Color is an important property of soil. The soil gets its color as a result of several processes. The color of soil near land surface is darker than the color of the lower layers. Soil may be different colors such as black, red, copper, yellow, grey. The colors of soil useful for its classifications. Besides, they are indirectly useful in indicating several properties of the land. In this way, the properties of the soil such as fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold the water becomes clear from its color. The color of the soil depends upon the texture of its organic ingredients as well as chemical ingredients like iron, lime. Soil texture. Soil contains particles of different sizes. The texture of soil is determined by the proportion of particles of the various sizes in it. Following are the types of soil on the basis of its texture. Sandy soil. The proportion of sand, that is large particles, is high in sandy soil. Water drains rapidly through the sandy soil. It is easy to plow this soil, but it is less fertile. This is because the particles of sandy soil are made of the minerals called silicon dioxide, quartz. These particles do not dissolve in water and therefore the soil has very little capacity to supply nutrients. Silt soil. The particles of silt soil are of medium size. Silt soil is not as plowable as sandy soil. However, it is much more pliable than clay soil. This soil contains a large proportion of organic materials. Its capacity to supply nutrients is much greater. Silt soil is also called sedimentary soil. Clay soil. In this soil, the proportion of small particles is maximum. The particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch. Clay soil has a high water holding capacity. Use your brain power. Why is it difficult to plow clay soil? Answer. It is difficult to plow clay soil because in clay soil the proportion of small particles is maximum. The particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch and has high water holding capacity. Why is it easy to plow sandy soil? Answer. Sandy soil has a large size particles. It has often weak structure due to less organic matter and large spaces between them. The water also drains quickly through it, making it dry and allows the plow to penetrate through it. What is the water holding capacity of silt soil? Silt occurs as a deposit in riverbeds. The size of silt particles is between those of sand and clay soil. This soil has also humus in it, which makes it the best soil to hold the right amount of water. Which soil is suitable for cultivation and why? The silt soil is suitable for cultivation. The particles of silt soil is of medium size. Silt soil is much more pliable than clay soil. It contains large proportions of organic material which along with its other properties help in retention of water for a proper amount of time and makes it suitable for crop to grow. Soil structure. The structure of soil depends upon the different shapes of the particle in it. Soil occurs in the form of laminar, granular, columnar, block shaped. Importance of soil structure. The fertility of soil depends upon soil structure. The advantages of good soil structure are as follows. First, roots get a sufficient supply of oxygen. Second, water drainage is good. Therefore, the roots of plants grow well. Uses of soil. First, plant conservation. To help plants grow. Second, water conservation. Soil holds water. As a result, by means of bunds and lakes, we can get water for use throughout the year. Third, plasticity. Soil can be given any required shape. This property of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Water storage, earthen pots, earthen lamps, adults, bricks, etc. are articles made from soil. Some useful types of soil. First, China clay. Kaolin. It is white in color. It is used to make crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus, mask, jar, etc. Shadu soil. It is whitish in color. It is used for making statues and idols. Terracotta soil. This soil is red in color. Decorative articles and pots used for growing plants are made from this soil. Multani soil. This soil is used in cosmetics. Do you know? China clay is an industrial material of the type kaolinite. It is found in China and hence called China clay. Upon heating, this soil acquires glaze and hardness and therefore is used for making crockery. Soil testing. The proportion of the various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. During soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture, and the proportion of organic matter in it. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency of any ingredients and to decide what measures should be taken to remove the deficiency. The soil sample collected for testing is dried in an open space in the shade for the 8 to 10 days. It is then sifted through a sieve. Two tests, namely the pH and the electrical conductivity test, are particularly useful in finding out the characteristic of soil. You can determine the fertility of soil in your fields with the help of different tests. Causes of diminished soil fertility. First, soil pH is less than 6 or higher than 8. Second, low proportion of organic matter. Third, no proper drainage of water. Fourth, repeated cultivation of the same crop. Fifth, continuous use of saline water. Sixth, excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. World Soil Day, 5th December, to make efforts for conservation of soil. Great scientist. The Danish scientist Sorsen put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions. To determine the pH of soil, a mixture of water and soil in the proportion 1:2 is taken and tested using several indicators. Accordingly, soil may be found to be one of the following three types. First, acidic soil, pH less than 6.5. Second, neutral soil, pH 6.5 to 7.5. Third, alkaline soil, pH higher than 7.5. Always remember, some texture is disturbed if chemical fertilizers are used excessively and that land becomes unsuitable for sowing. Crops should be rotated in order to maintain the fertility of the land. For example, the fertility of land decreases after harvesting of wheat. Hence, leguminous crops like peanut, moong, moth beans, pea, lentil, Bengal gram, soya bean should be cultivated to restore the fertility of the soil.